Hi everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your piano teacher. If you want to discover about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel in the description of this video. I'm leaving the link below. And you can also find the link for my artistic channel. Now let's go to our lesson. Today is time to talk about On the Levee on page 10 of John Thompson's Easiest Piano Course Part 3. In this piece you have many things, many things. So I should say three important things. First of all, the big news is the repeat sign. Here you get a simple explanation of the second important thing that happened in this one, but here there is the explanation of the repeat sign and the meaning of the first time bar and second time bar. In practice, what happened? You start playing, you play. When you arrive here, you have to go back to the first bar, because the whole content in between these two bold lines plus extra bar line and the two dots around the third line, all is in between these two signs, has to be played twice. But in this specific case, the composer is asking you to skip these 4 bars the second time. Let's repeat. You start, you play, you arrive here, you go back to this point, to the first bar, you play. Exactly here, you have to go straight on to the second time bar, skipping completely these 4 bars. That's it, quite simple. The second thing to remember in this piece is the change of hand position. You have to change in block. The hand position is something quite new for everybody. You have to simply reach A with the right and F with the left. You start playing on C left hand, the C on the left side of the middle C, the one that is in the second space of the bass clef, and with the right hand on the E, confirming the hand position of Thompson Part 1. When you arrive exactly here, you take your hand in block and you go up. So E is a big jump, the hand is moving 1/4 up, okay, in block. What can help you is, so the thumb and the little finger of the left, the thumb of the right and the little finger of the left are on the C, but they have to now be automatically on F. So from thumb and little finger on C, C's, to thumb and little finger on F. In this way automatically we will have third finger of the right on the A, that is indeed the note that you have to play here, and on the left hand the little finger will be on F. And the third important thing is finally a huge practice of the dynamics that you have learned in the previous pieces, that you have learned especially in the 4 phrases page 6, in 3 phrases, and obviously when you all was introduced on page 4. You start mezzo forte, moderately loud. Imagine out of 4 sounds layer, imagine that is the third. You go down to layer 2, mezzo piano, moderately soft. Back to moderately loud, layer 3. Here you drag the sound down to piano, to the layer 1. Yeah? Then you carry on up to the end of the first time bar. Then you go back to the first. Obviously there is a big jump now from piano that you had here, back to the mezzo forte. Then down to the mezzo piano, second layer, up again to mezzo forte, down immediately to piano here, and here you have to jump up to the 4th sound level, forte, for the second time bar up to the end. Okay? Let's try now to play. Let's say there is no staccato in this one, only normal notes, as usual. Don't worry too much about let's say the touch of these notes, the articulation. By the way, in this one there is no need of counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we are in a 4/4, but as you have maybe noticed already, we don't have any half count notes. So only the shortest note is the quarter note or crotchet, one count note. The piece is allegro, that means fast, but I will try to play slowly, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4. One more thing that maybe can be a little bit challenging could be the fact, obviously, that you have to pay attention now to one more small change of hand position here, where you have to simply move the little finger from the F that you had here in the last part of the second line, from F to E. So from F to E. Obviously the third finger will follow and will be moved from A to G, and the thumb will be moved from the middle C, where it was, to the B, so from middle C to the B. But things that finally you have to definitely get used now to this change of hand position, because otherwise how can we play all the 88 keys that we have on the keyboard, yeah? Anyways, I don't think that there is much more to clarify, so simply remember, pay attention to the first time bar and the second time bar, and obviously the repeat sign itself. Pay attention to the change of hand position. Finally, mind all these different dynamicals levels, and there is nothing more to remember regarding this one, yeah? Okay? If you have any extra question, in case I forgot to mention something, just comment and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.